Hi student, in this video we are going to see the change of entropy of a gas which is in the closed system. Okay, now consider this is the closed system. This particular container is a closed one. So when we say closed one, that means there is no any mass interaction, but there will be the energy interaction. It may be in a heat or it may be in the form of work. Okay. Now just we considering 1 kg of mass is present in this particular container, closed container. Okay. So for the first state, that is the initial state, it will having the properties P1, V1, temperature T1 and entropy S1. Okay, this is for the initial phase. Now what we do, we just giving or hitting this particular closed system, okay, or hitting this particular container. After hitting or after achieving the final state, the properties of the system will be pressure will be P2, volume will be V2, temperature will be T2 and the entropy will be S2. Okay, that is for the final state. Now we have to find out the how much entropy has changes when this particular closed system goes from state 1 to the state 2. Okay, that we have to find out, and for that we are taking help of first law of thermodynamics. You already know we can apply the first law of thermodynamics to the closed system and we get the equation change in the particular heat interaction or the whatever the heat interaction is equal to change in internal energy plus any work interaction. Okay, now we already know delta U or whatever the internal energy is a property of a system. Okay, and generally it is given by that change in that particular internal energy is given by the equation Cp delta T, whereas Cp means the specific heat at a constant pressure and this delta T means the temperature difference or difference in the temperature of the initial and the final state. Okay, and again the work interaction, generally for the closed cycle we define work as a pressure into change in the value. Okay, pressure always remains constant for the closed system, whereas the volume will changes. That will gives us the whatever the work interaction done on the system or by the system. Okay, now just we can putting this all those values in this equation. So we will get dq is equal to Cp delta T plus P delta V. Okay, now what we do, we divide both the sides by T, temperature T. So we will get the equation dq upon T is equal to Cp delta T upon T plus P dV upon T. Okay, now we know for the particular reversible action or the reversible process, dq upon T is known as a ds. Okay, so we just replacing this term, this particular term by the ds is equal to Cp into dt upon T plus P into dV upon T. Now another basic equation we have to use, that is known as the ideal gas equation, and it is given like this: pressure into volume is equal to mass of a system into universal the gas constant into temperature. Okay, so we just taking temperature on the left hand side and the volume on the right hand side. So we will get pressure upon the temperature is equal to m into r upon v. Okay, we already know this particular system contain mass of the gas is a 1 kg. Okay, so it will give R upon V. Again we put this into this equation and we get Cp delta T upon T plus, instead of P upon T we write down R upon V into dV, that is given, that is the ds. Now this is the differentiate form of the equation. We have to convert it into particular difference form, that is S1, S2 minus S1. For that we require to take integration on the both hand side, okay, both sides. So this is the integration, we are taking integration, and again the initial state is a 1 and the final state is a 2. Okay, those are the limits for the integration. So we just write down 1 and 2, initial state and the final state. Okay, so integration of 1 1 respect to ds is the s. Okay, so that will be the s having the limit 1 to 2 is equal to Cp is a constant one, that is a property. So the property of the particular gas, that's why it does not changes with respect to process. Now we have delta T upon T having the integration. Okay, so we already know 1 upon x, integration of 1 upon x with respect to dx is known as the uh, log x. Okay, it will having the solution log x plus c. So okay, so similar to this one, here also we write down log t having the limit 1 to 2. Okay, plus r is another constant into similar same rule we can apply it for this equation or this part of the equation, that is 1 upon v is given by log v having the limits 1 to 2. Okay, now we just applying the unit S2 minus S1 into Cp into log T2 upon T1. Okay, that is the logarithmic logs in plus R into log V2 upon V1. Okay, so this is the final equation for the entropy change of the gas for the particular closed cycle. Okay, so this is the most important equation. By using this equation you can find out the entropy change for the particular reversible process. Okay, whereas the temperature of the initial and the final state is given, okay, volume is a given. In that condition you can find out this entropy change. If in the equation or in the question they only gives the temperature, initial and final temperature, and the initial and the final pressure term. Okay, in that condition what we do, we just replace this V2 upon V1 term by the P. Okay, so for that we are using ideal gas law. Again we using ideal gas law. Okay, and we know the ideal gas law is a PV is equal to mRT. M is again 1 kg, so we can neglect that one. So we got the PV is equal to RT. Okay, so we applying this law for the both the state number 1, that initial state when we apply, we will get P1 V1 is equal to RT1. Okay, this gas constant is the same for the same gas because we does not changing the gas, and for the final condition it is P2 V2 is equal to RT2. Okay, so for we just taking R on the right hand side, okay, in the both equation we can write down P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2 because this R is the same for the particular gas. Now again by using this equation we can write down for the V2 upon V1 we have to find out the particular equation. So V2 upon V1 we can write down P1 upon P2 into T2 upon T1. Okay, so we just put this into this particular equation and we can write down the another equation, that is S2 minus S1 is equal to, okay, you can see that particular equation the below. Okay, so we after the replacing V2 and V1 with respect to P2 and T1 we got this equation in the terms of temperature, and the pressure. Okay, if they are just give us the pressure and the value, then we can again use the ideal gas law. Okay, and we can find out the similar equation which is in the terms of pressure and the value. Okay, so this is the entropy change equation for the entropy change for the any particular process. Okay, this is for the general case. Now when we apply this for the different processes, as we know, these constant pressure, constant volume, isothermal process, adiabatic process are the theoretical one. Those are the reversible processes. Okay, so when we apply those equations, so here we have to just modify in this main equations. Okay, so for the constant volume, we know V2 and V1, that will be the 1. Okay, and log 1 is the 0. So this term will be cancelled in the case of constant value. In the case of constant pressure also, this particular term will cancel, right? Because P2 upon P1 is a 1 and log 1 is a 0. Okay, so we just only one term, or you can say you can use any equation. Okay, similarly for the isothermal also, the temperature, this term is a 0, or you can use this equation. So this term is a 0 and remaining for remaining term of the particular equation become the entropy change. Now the interesting fact is that the adiabatic during the adiabatic process, what we know, dq is a 0. There is no any heat interaction during the adiabatic process, and because of that we know ds entropy change is the dq upon t, and as we know dq is a 0 means this whole term will be the 0, so the change in the entropy will be 0. Okay, and because of that this reversible adiabatic process is also known as a isentropic process. Isentropic means what? Entropy remain constant. Okay, and similar results when we apply for the polytropic processes, we got Cv into n minus gamma upon n minus 1 into log E T2 upon T1, whereas n and gamma are the polytropic index. Okay, so these are the equations for the particular gas which is in the closed system, and this is the change of the entropy. These are the equation for the change of the entropy of the particular gases. Thank you.